Also, calculators is actually another really good way to see these patterns. Because you can have a kid do the multiplication and then have them sit there and add them all up and see how they get the same thing. So, sometimes they say, like, don't use your calculators, you have to know it in your head. Here's a place where you can use calculators. So now we're looking at different these are problem types. So you don't necessarily have to write these all down. The book just gave these to you as like when you're making lessons, be aware that these are the types of problems leading to addition and subtraction, and you want to know that there's these different types, so you're not only using one type, so that kids get used to seeing these problems in different ways. To use models, you can use linking cubes, discs and counters, M&Ms, number line, and then you can actually almost use children's literature. Like if you have a book that's like counting, or you have like the monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, one fell off, how many do we have left? Like those types of things. So the first one is separation problems, and these are usually your takeaway problems. These are the most well-known subtraction problems, but be really careful with using takeaway as your like definition. You should always be using like 8 minus 2, because when you say takeaway, then it makes kids think that this is the only way you can do subtraction. So just be really careful with that. And this is honestly the easiest for kids. So let's do some takeaway. Let's do some separation problems. Go ahead and use your M&Ms. And Peggy, let's model out this problem. Peggy had 7 cookies and gave 4 to her friends. How many does she have left?